Here's another reason to know scales, intervals, and chord progressions because we can use what we call the 2-5-1 pattern, very popular pattern used in jazz, gospel, a lot of styles that can become really cool passing tones. So in this key, or in this particular example, I have three key centers, the key of F, the key of E, and the key of E flat. So the F scale has its progressions where the 1, 4, 5 are F major, B flat major, C major, and then on the 2, 3, and 6, G minor, A minor, D minor, 7 half diminished. Same idea in the key of E, same idea in the key of E flat. So what you do is practice in all 12 keys, but in this particular example, you would actually play 2, 5, 1, G minor, a C dominant typically, or C7, F major in the key of F, F sharp, minor, B7 in the key of E, and come home to E on a 2, 5, 1 in the key of E flat, F minor to a B flat dominant, come home to E flat. And this is going to be used in a popular Christmas song called The Christmas Song that Nat King Cole actually sung, and many others have actually sung. But the first key, Yuletide carols, being sung by a choir and folks. So Yuletide carols being sung by a choir and folks dressed up like Eskimos, everybody knows. So I'll play it so you can see how those 2-5-1s come into usage in the Christmas song. All right, so I'm going to play the example. 2-5-1 in F, G minor, then C dominant, F major, same idea in the key of E, F sharp minor, B dominant, key, then come home to E major 7 on 2-5-1 in D flat, E flat minor, A flat dominant, and then come home to D flat major 7 are a typical voicing. So you'll hear Yuletide carols being sung by a choir and folks dressed up like Eskimos, everybody knows. So you hear those three key centers. I did it, and I'm singing this actually in the key of D flat. So 2-5-1 in F, 2-5-1 in E, 2-5-1 in E flat, because that key 2-5-1 in D flat to come back home. So play around with those 2-5-1s because anytime you have a major destination, a major chord, you can do a 2-5-1, creating that new key center, or sometimes going to the 5 being like a secondary dominant idea to come home to the 1. Play around with that because it's going to be a really cool passing tone ideas in various songs, however you want to expand your arrangement idea.